In today's Canva tutorial, we're taking a look at how we can make text a little bit thicker. To do this, we're going to click on the text icon and we're just going to add a heading, and I'm just going to type in awesome crafter. Then up here now, we're going to go to the font options and we're going to change the font. So for this example, I'm just going to use the font Pearson. It is a Canva Pro font, which can be used free if you are subscribed to Canva Pro. If you are not and you would like to have a 30-day trial of Canva Pro, then please click on the link in the description and that will give you a free trial. There are lots of different fonts if we scroll through that are not on Canva Pro, so you could use any of those as well. Now we've selected our font, we can see here that some of the lines are really thin. So if you was going to use this, for example, with a Cricut or Silhouette machine and you wanted to cut out the font, then that could prove to be a little bit tricky. So to get around it, we're going to click on the text box and we're going to go to effects and we're going to click on outline. And as we can see now, that's put an outline around our text. Now we need to come down to the colour option here and we need to make the outline the same colour as our text. And as we can see there now, that's made a massive difference. Once you've made it all the same colour, next you are able to change the thickness. So we can slide the marker across, we can increase the thickness if we slide it to the right, and if we slide it to the left, we can reduce the thickness. The nature of this font is some of it does look slightly thinner and obviously some is a lot thicker. So we just need to play about with the thickness until we are happy with it. But if we was now going to send that to our Cricut or Silhouette machine, then that is going to cut out far better and far easier than what it was before. And that's a really quick and easy way of how you can make text thicker inside of Canva. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.